welcome back. Douglas's Model Garages videos. And just want to show you a new build I just finished. And at the end of this video, I'm going to add in the build up too, what I have right here. And thanks for watching, guys. So here's my Revell kit from '87 Nissan truck, custom. Done in French blue with the good old testers black and silver, and Tamiya flat black. Very cool little truck. And I had to source some different headlight lenses for it. They actually came from a airplane kit that I was working on. So got a little 2.2 4-cylinder in there. Got the exhaust and chassis done real nice. It's a fun kit to build. And it's a OG Nissan. So thanks for watching. Look for the build video right after this one. Alright, thanks. You have a good day, guys. Bye.